according to Maslow, so which value is the highest? Dapat alam nyo na to ngayon, no? In the hierarchy of needs. Okay? Sige. D. Okay. Sige. So you are all right. The highest level is letter D, self-actualization. So self-actualization represents fulfillment on one's potential. It's the peak of the Maslow hierarchy of needs. So kailangan alam natin to, no? Belongingness, the need to feel accepted, loved, and part of the group. So belong ka na sa family, friends, so you feel part of them. Okay. Safety, the need of physical security, stability, and protection from harm. Ah, During the pandemic, ito yung pinaka-highest level natin, no? Safety lagi. Okay? So, naranasan natin how to set aside the other needs because of the danger na kabalikat nitong COVID-19. How about esteem? Esteem is the need to feel respected. Gusto natin, we are feel nire-respeto tayo, binavalue tayo, and we are confident in one's abilities as human being. That's the value highest. With the highest rank of hierarchy of needs, it's self-actualization.